Hi guys, today I will explain how to select time of automatic, save your project in Premiere Pro. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open the application and open a project. If you have not opened it, then you can do it without opening a single project. And once you will apply this will be applied to all of your projects which you saved or which you are working on. Adobe. The only thing is, take a look on the left top. You can see a lot of options. And from these, click on the option Edit. Now take your mouse on the last option Preferences, and in this pop-up, you have to select Autosave. Now the autosave has been open, and the selected time is 3 minutes. Means after every 3 minutes, Adobe will save my project automatically. I don't need to type Control-S or Command-S on Mac. If you want to change it, then click on it, and here's enter your time. Like, I want to set it on 4 minutes. And here is the option of maximum project version. Click on it, and here enter number. This option is save backup project to Creative Cloud. If you want to click, then click on it. You can also turn it on. The last thing is tap on the option. Okay, now I have select my time for automatic save project. And after 4 minutes, the Adobe will save my project by itself. I don't need to do it again and again, and it was the simplest way by which you can do it quickly.